Did you know if we compiled every human on Earth and sucked all the empty space out of their atoms, all 8 billion of us would fit into the size of the tip of my pinky? Now, all this occurs because atoms are almost entirely nothing. This much nothing.
Well, technically there are quantum fluctuations.
Just fuck off. Let's look at an atom and magnify its scale up to the size of a large stadium. Now, the nucleus at the center would be roughly about the size of a ping pong ball, and the electrons, well, like bits of dust floating somewhere around in the stands. And so you can imagine if we take away that empty space, there really isn't much of the atom left. So why is it that atoms, which are mostly nothing, feel like something? Well, we can thank forces. You see, when you touch another object, your atoms don't actually come in contact with the atoms of the object. They're prevented by the electromagnetic force, which is the reason atoms don't just pass straight through one another.
Yeah, but like, what if we just like really compress the atom?
Well, yeah, I guess we could, but
Yeah, with like heap strong gravity and shit.
yeah. You see, large stars at the end of their life collapse with such a strong gravitational field that it actually mushes all the components of atoms together, leaving behind only neutrons with no empty space, creating what's called a neutron star. Now, neutron stars are so dense that if it were only 20 kilometers across, it would weigh about the mass of 1.5 times our solar system. I'm bored. Okay, fine. Well, if we made the star bigger, it would collapse with even more gravitational force that light itself cannot escape. Fuck that. Nothing in the universe can escape the pull of what is called a black hole. And black holes are so dense that if you had one that was just 1 centimeter big, it would weigh more than the entire Earth. Jesus, are you happy? Yeah.
If you're a tradie and you don't have one of these, well,